The box jellyfish. It looks almost invisible in the water, but its venom can stop your heart in minutes.
The blue-ringed octopus. It's smaller than your palm, beautifully colored, and carries enough venom to kill 20 adult men.
The poison dart frog. Bright, tiny, and deadly. One frog can carry enough toxin to kill 10 grown men.
The bullet ant. Its sting is said to be the most painful on Earth. The pain can last for 24 hours straight. The cone snail. It moves slowly but fires a venomous harpoon that can paralyze you instantly.
The tsetse fly. Small bite. Big consequence.
The assassin bug. Also known as the kissing bug, it spreads Chagas disease silently at night. The tiny mosquito is actually the deadliest animal on Earth, spreading malaria and other deadly diseases to millions every year.
Like, share, and subscribe.